मोटर कमांड हो गया, स्टार्ट स्टॉप हो गया, देन टाइमर, ऑन डिले टाइमर। ओके, अभी हमें क्या करना है, इसके डेटा टाइप सिलेक्ट करना है। डेटा टाइप इज, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, नहीं तो डायरेक्टली भी टाइप कर सकते हो, बूलियन, boolean boolean, and here is data type is FBD. FBD FBD टाइमर। ओके, अभी हमें दो टाइमर चाहिए, वन इज टाइमर 1 एंड दूसरा हम क्रिएट करेंगे टाइमर 01 एंड दूसरा हमारा रहेगा टाइमर 02, टाइमर 02। ओके, यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन डालना है तो हम डिस्क्रिप्शन डाल सकते हैं। गो टू द कंट्रोलर, यहाँ से हम देखते हैं डायरेक्टली डिस्क्रिप्शन कॉपी होता है क्या, नहीं। देन यूडिटी डिस्क्रिप्शन, स्टार्ट बटन, यहाँ पे स्टॉप बटन, यहाँ पे मोटर कमांड, देन ऑन डिले टाइमर। ओके, ओके, डिस्क्रिप्शन हो गया, स्टार्ट स्टॉप हो गया, मोटर कमांड हो गया, ऑन डिले टाइमर हो गए, जितने रिक्वायर्ड टैग्स है वो हमारे क्रिएट हो गए। अप्लाई एंड ओके। अभी आपका यूडिटी बन गया। यूडिटी का टाइप क्या है, नाम क्या दिया आपने, मोटर, FBD मोटर। ओके, कुछ भी दे सकते हो आपके हिसाब से। देन हम क्या करेंगे, पहले एरे हमें क्रिएट करना है, तो वी कैन ट्राई, वी कैन एबल टू क्रिएट एरे और नॉट। हियर आई विल क्रिएट FBD array motor, array motor। Okay, create FBD array motor tag, and here I will select FBD motor data type। Okay, and here we can try creating the array is, suppose create a, okay, 10 motor array। yes, we can able to create। आपके पास अभी क्या है, FBD array मोटर, इसका क्या है, आपके पास एक एरे क्रिएट किया है जहाँ से आपको 10 मोटर्स आपके पास है। देन यू वांट टू क्रिएट द एरे, आई विल जस्ट कॉपी दिस, और अदरवाइज वी कैन क्रिएट अ न्यू प्रोग्राम, हियर आई विल क्रिएट मोटर एरे that is schedule in main task। motor array create हो गया। then go to the motor array, here I will just add main routine। यहाँ पे हम library लेंगे, first main routine is array, give the name main routine या main। okay, okay, main routine हो गया। then we just add main new routine which is subroutine, and your language type is FBD, functional block diagram। okay, click on OK, then add new routine, here we add e subroutine, like previously we done e subroutine, and create OK. There is one e subroutine and subroutine. We have two routines. From main routine, and see here how we created, you can see here main routine. In the in the normal routine, you want to add this logic, like we can add it, and from the e-motor routine we can create this JSR instruction and pass on this JSR tags. Okay. In the subroutine, go to the subroutine, and here you need to create two different tags, which is I think in the routine we required this tags also, which is locally we have added is b0 and this tag also we required. I think we can try without this b0 tag, and like that tags we can use local tags, and then we can try to create. I will just go to the test FBD and select it, copy it and put in your routine. Okay, then here we need to change the tag name. Here what name we want to give, the local tag here we need to create. Here I will just create the motor tag. I have created, which is motor. Then here the data type of this motor is also FBD motor, should be FBD motor. Okay, then you can assign this start. In the start you can type a motor dot start. Okay, we'll just try it directly, motor dot start, and same here. Here you can select motor stop. But in the here you have only this two parameter, which is preset value, and this preset value is the local parameters. We need to create this parameter into the UDT. Why? Because this parameter, when you pass from one routine to another routine, it not get the pass from this one routine to another routine. That's why we need to create this parameter into the UDT. In the add-on instruction, you no need to create this parameter, because the add-on instruction have their own memory, but in the indexing there is no own memory. That's why we need to pass on that parameter into the some instruction. And this preset is there. Okay, just change this with the motor command, or just a motor command also you can use in the UDT. And here also we need to change this timer with the on delay timer, which is from motor dot on delay motor on delay timer 01 we can check it here, is the parameter is available or not. Yes, you can copy it from here also and directly you can paste it here. But I think in the last we see in the array we're not able to paste it here. That's why in the FBD there is no possibility to create the indexing if we not able to pass this parameter. Then indexing is not possible inside the indexing. Only ladder you can use for the indexing. Then our plan is to create add-on. अभी हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, एड ऑन क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, देन वी कैन यूज, बिकॉज दिस पैरामीटर इज नॉट टेकिंग array instruction. We can, if you want to check the anything we can do. I will just check once and then we can move to the add-on instruction. Not possible, na? We can see what error is comes. From error we can understand. Seat 1, B1, T1 timer, motor on delay timer, function block, tags cannot be array element. Members of a data type or alias to array element are data type members. Here we can't use the array element. It's difficult to use array element in FBD. Then we can move to the add-on instruction. Here we can create the add-on instruction for the, just go to the new add-on instruction, go to the new add-on instruction, FBD, motor add-on for FBD. Yes, FBD motor. Okay, now the alt tag we can copy from UDT and paste it here again, or otherwise we can create start, stop, motor command या command cmd, yeah, we can give as a out cmd, out cmd, then on delay timer, that is on delay timer 1 preset value, नहीं तो इसको ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, x on delay preset on delay timer 1. The next one is 2. Here the start is boolean, stop is boolean, out command is also boolean. Okay, and then we need to add two timers, which is on delay 1, that I will add here in the local. On delay timer 1 is the FBD timer, FBD timer, FBD underscore timer. There is a FBD timer 2. Okay. Okay, uh, that is in local, but one thing we need more two parameters, which is b and like that parameters also we required. Then I will just go to the logic and I will just copy this logic and add into the add-on, add to the add-on, just paste it here. Tag name should be same. Here if you see in the lots of error, just remove that error with the proper tags. Start, error gone, stop, error gone. Then b not, b and this we remove with the on delay preset timer 1, and here also we can remove with on delay preset timer 2. Okay, and here is again we see the error is there. Then you can select the timer we have created is the timer 2 here, and here we can select the timer 1. Okay, and here is the out command, out command. Okay, now your logic is ready. Now you can use this logic outside, but initially we check the how much parameter we have added and which is not required and which is required. Those parameter we can remove from the block. If you want to change name with the 2, I will change it with the 2. Can you give me one minute please? Yes, I'm back. Now logic is ready. See here some parameter is not used. Just click it here and click on unused parameter. If you see there is one parameter is not used, you can delete it. Not required, delete it. Then go to the parameters. Here which parameter you take out, which parameter you visible, that we need to tick it here. Here this pre on delay timer. We need to set some delay time here. If you want to set into the millisecond, you can set 5000 as a default value, and for here also you can set that 5000 value as a default value. Now the value we have set 5000 as a default value. If you want to see visible outside, then you can click it here, but this is not required parameter, that's why I just left it as a untick. And out command, I want to see outside, then click it here, out. And this start button and stop button, if you required from the external signal, then you can use this like that. Or if you don't want to uh, show or required parameter, then you can untick. But this is actually a required parameter from the external source, which is mapping with the hardware input and output. That time you need to tick it. Right now we are using just simulation, then I will just keep not required. By default it will take it as a 0. We can write it from the external source, which is 1 1 as per requirement. Just apply here. Now there is a start and stop is input parameter, but this parameter is output parameter. I will just convert it as a output parameter. If you have some external input, then you can convert this on delay timer and this timer as a input output parameter. Right now I just give as a input as a input. Okay, then our block is ready. Then you can use this block for the your logic development. Right now how we can use, I will see in the FBD. In the test FBD, you can go on with the same FBD block. In the same block, I will just call that add-on block I have created. Just click on this add-on block. Here you can see this add-on block is there. See the AD FBD motor, this block is there. Okay, then you have converted this complete logic in one block. Then if you want to pass on some parameters inside this block, then you can pass on the parameters. Like suppose the same parameter, I will just copy it here and paste it here, this input side, and just connect it with the start, connect it with the stop. Okay, these two parameter I have connected, and same for the motor. I will copy and I will just use the same parameter with this, but here only one output we can use at a time, that's why it's showing the red. I will just change tag with the 2, then error gone. And here also I will change that tag with 2 because we are using different. Then here also you can change it with the 2, then your logic is ready. Okay, now logic is ready. Then you can download and test it. I will just take. No. On delay is the preset value. We are just moving that value. Yes, yes. The preset on delay timer is if you go to the parameter, here you can see the parameter is preset on delay timer. Here is the DINT, because there is a preset value. We are just moving into the local timer. This is the local timer on delay timer we have using. Is the data type is FBD timer. Which one? Yes, we can put it default value here. No problem, we can put it. But if you follow the standard procedure, then sometimes it will reset default value, sometimes not. sometimes there is a 1 0.01% chances to reset inside default value, otherwise it will take as it is. That's why I just taking out. If we want to grieve from the external source, then we can assign that value from the external source, otherwise we can keep as it is. Okay, okay, I will just keep as it is. And now I will just download it. And here you see this add-on block automatically creates this tag. This tag also you can create as a array tag, and that array tag we can use it here. I will just go to the controller tags, and already I have created some tags for the utility. That tag we can convert with the this tag name. What tag we have created? Yes, yes. FBD. No, no motor command on delay timer. No, this. Yeah, FBD motor array. I will just change this data type with the add-on instruction. Add FBD motor, and here you can create the array. Here I will just create the array at the 10, and then you can use this array as a tag if you have multiple motors. I will just go to the test FBD, and here I will just select that array. This is motor, and in the bracket we can put the array name, array number. Yep. Yeah, still the array problem is inside the block, then we can use the same one, the previous one. Like this we can use. Okay, then try to run it initially, because there is some error maybe comes. I think here we keep as a old timer. I will just remove this on timer. Okay, the old program. Check, is there any error in the program? I think there is no error. No error. Then yes, here is the one error, which is empty run. Here we need to delete this empty run, or we can add JSR and just pass on this tag, otherwise you can skip it, no problem. I will just, for the removing the error, you can add, otherwise you can delete it. And then check, is there error or warning? Is there no warning, no error, then you can download. Now go to the controller, the tricep connection who active, then click on the controller and click on the download. Okay, go to your program, test FBD. Now just put this value as a 1. Now see if the timer is running or not. Just go to open the instruction logic. Yes, its timer is running. Okay, check output is going high or not. Yes, output is high. Yes, but yeah, it's working, huh? Is it okay, all of you? Means various way you can create your add-on and logic. Now to uh, you required more information regarding FBD, or it is sufficient for the learning or testing? Pardon? Access? Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, we have some exercises. Can I pass these exercises and you can do it? Okay. At 1 p.m. we can take a break, and before that I will just pass on some exercise to you. We will check which exercise you can do, first. I will just show you the document. Just tell the exercise, which exercise you want to do it. Pulse width not required, not required. PLC programming, yes. There's some mixing tank exercise, control mixing tank, and then tank process. Okay, tank process is there. किस टाइप का एक्सरसाइज चाहिए आप? मेरे पास टैंक प्रोसेस का है, टैंक लेवल का है, प्रोसेस ऑपरेशन लॉजिक है। नहीं, वीएफडी का नहीं, नहीं। वीएफडी का वीएफडी में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं रहता। जो वीएफडी में जस्ट आपको है ना, उसको एनालॉग इनपुट पास ऑन करना है, बस उतना ही रहता है। वीएफडी का एक देता हूँ मैं, मेरे पास है वीएफडी का। उसका आप वीएफडी लगा सकते हो। लैडर लैडर प्रोसेस टेम्परेचर प्रोसेस वेरियस डेटा सेटिंग्स। ज़्यादा बड़े एक्सरसाइज नहीं दूंगा मैं, थोड़े छोटे छोटे जो कि आप इजीली कर सकते हो आधे एक घंटे के अंदर। कन्वेयर का देंगे एक छोटा। पेज नंबर इज 1152। लॉजिक की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ना, मैं इतना ही देता हूँ, एक ही पेज देता हूँ। यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्यूशन है उसका, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन भी दिया है, वो सॉल्यूशन आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। आई विल जस्ट प्रिंट इट। ओके, 115। देन दूसरा और कौन सा दे सकते हैं? टैंक का दे दो एक। दो दो तीन देता हूँ। एक ये एक है, ये भी सिंपल है। ऑपरेटर बिल्डिंग पार्ट। टैंक का एक देते हैं, टैंक लेवल कंट्रोल का। फिलिंग ये चलेगा, सिंपल है ये। दो पंप का है, लेवल सेंसर्स है, एंड सम एनालॉग सेंसर भी है उसमें, स्टोरेज टैंक है, 3 पंप्स है। ठीक है, ये एक चलेगा, ये बेटर रहेगा। इसका भी लॉजिक नहीं दूंगा आपको, 2 पेजेस चाहिए इसके। 171 to 172। ओके, और एक देता हूँ। ये एक चलेगा, कैपिंग ऑफ बेवरेज बॉटल। 154। इसमें मैं आउटपुट टेबल निकाल दूंगा। और एक चाहिए था मुझे हीटर का, यहाँ पे है कंट्रोल हॉल हीटर्स। ठीक है, ये एक देते हैं। मिक्सिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, हीटिंग एंड मिक्सिंग चलेगा। इसमें भी आपको बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स मिलेंगे। वन, 3, 4। ठीक है, मैं 4 एक्सरसाइज आपको प्रिंट करके देता हूँ।